you are going to this green button, Create Course. Click it, and then you are going to create your very first course. Or if you have used Knowledger for some time, you can just go to the top right corner, and then under your name, there is a section called My Courses. Click it, and then you will find the same green button, Create Course there. This is the page where you can create your course. So now, let me show you an example on how to create a course. So here under course name, you can create a very eye-catching title for your course. For example, here. And then under subject, choose the subject where the course belongs to, English language. And then for tutoring language, English as well. And then under duration, it is the total duration of all lessons under this course. So I'm going to create a course that lasts for 10 hours in total. So here we go. And then for the age group, 13 to 15. Under course description, you're going to show the details of your course. In other words, what you're going to cover in the course. Let's say I'm going to show the details of the 5 lessons I'm going to teach in this course. Here, I'm going to show my objectives as well as the language focus. And then, based on these details, your potential learners can make more informed choice on their own. Under course summary, you're going to give a very short but sharp description of your course. So you're going to write no more than 150 characters. And when your learners search your course, this short description will be shown to them like this. Even though putting on a course video is optional, according to our experience, it can increase the credibility of your course, and it is also an effective way to convince your potential learners to take your course as well. Bear in mind, when you're going to get the URL to your course video, you're not going to the URL on your browser. Instead, you should go to the bottom of the video here, and then you can see a share button. Click it, and then you will see a conversation box like this. And in here, you can get the URL for your course video. And this URL should start with youtu.be. You can upload some reading materials here. And the materials can be a detailed lesson plan, some pre-course readings, or a document listing out links to different online articles. If you would like to create a free trial course, you can put a tick here in the box. By doing so, the placeholder for fees will be brought automatically. However, you may still want to create a trial course that charges fees. In that case, you don't need to put any tick here in the box. Instead, you will go ahead to the tutoring type and then check which tutoring type you prefer. And under each of them, you're going to set the fees for your trial course. To make it clear that it is a trial course that charges fees, it's better for you to put trial course after the course name. If you're going to create an ordinary course that charges fees, then you just go to the tutoring type and choose which type you prefer. Then under each of them, you're going to set the fees. If you're okay with all the things you have said here, you can click Create Course. Another important step is to add class. So here you can see the course name, the total duration of the course, and then there is a remaining duration to add. So let's say if you are going to create 5 lessons, after you have created your first lesson of 2 hours, our system will automatically do the subtraction for you and it will show 8 hours here. That means you'll have 8 hours remaining to teach under this course. And this one, class name, it is very important, especially when you are going to report incident. Whenever you come across any abnormalities, you will have to report this class identity number. And then for the class type, you can choose either you're going to teach this class with the small group module or there's a one-to-one module. Let's say I'm going to choose the small group one. Now I'm going to add the date here. Okay, start time. Let's say it is 10 o'clock in the morning. Duration, I would like to have each lesson having 2 hours, so 120 minutes. And then I'm going to create my second lesson. So now I have completed entering all 5 lessons here. Now let's click Create Class. After clicking Create Class, you're going to this page, Class List. And here you can see the class ID, and then you will see this label again, hidden. That means this class is not visible to the public. In other words, they cannot search or they cannot find your class as well as your course in the system. There's something really interesting here. As you can see on the status, we have starting soon as well as scheduled. Whenever a lesson is going to happen within the 24 hours of its scheduled time, the system will automatically show starting soon. And then, please remember, all the lessons will be shown in the time zone you have chosen under your profile. So this is very, very important for you. Now we're ready to show our class to the public. And now let's click Show Class here. Now this class will be ready for your learners' enrollment. Now let's go back to my course list. Now here, please remember to click Show Course as well, so that the course and the class are ready for enrollment. Hope this video can help you create courses, classes, and lessons very smoothly. And we look forward to seeing you on Knowledger.